Hi buddies, welcome back, it's Anne-Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can look for a system update on your Motorola Moto G13. Maybe something doesn't run as smoothly anymore, or you get like notifications that you have an update available. To check, we need to go to our settings, scroll down to system update, and you see my software has not been updated yet to that. The update failed to download on March 26th. You can enable the smart updates. Updates are downloaded and installed automatically when you're connected to Wi-Fi. You can get more information about why updates matter, and you can see your update history. If I click on check sys for updates, you can see what the new version would look like, how much space it would take up, and then we can say got it. Wi-Fi only, it always takes a bit longer. Maybe just have a lot of mobile data, then you can go ahead, but I would say Wi-Fi only, continue, got it. And now my system is updating to the newest version and is in progress. This update will continue if you go back or close this window. Okay, nice. So it's now downloading, and then later you can install the update, and then your phone will restart again, and then it runs with the new system update. So that's how you can look for updates on your Motorola Moto G13. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.